Could this Amazon tablet actually replace your laptop? That's what everyone's asking about the Fire Max 11, especially when you bundle it with the keyboard case. Let's dive in. First impressions. The 11-inch screen is gorgeous. With over 2 million pixels, everything looks sharp and vibrant. Amazon is touting low blue light certification, which is a welcome addition for those late-night binge-watching sessions. Under the hood, it's packing an octa-core processor and 4 GB of RAM. It's not going to win any speed records, but it feels snappy enough for everyday tasks like browsing, streaming, and light gaming. Wi-Fi 6 support is a nice touch, ensuring fast and reliable connectivity. The keyboard case is a game changer. It connects directly to the tablet, so no need to worry about charging yet another device. The integrated trackpad is surprisingly responsive, and the 15 shortcut keys, including 2 customizable ones, definitely boost productivity. The Microsoft 365 personal trial is a nice bonus, too. Battery life is impressive. Amazon claims 14 hours, and in real-world use, it gets pretty close. You can easily get through a full day of work or a long flight without needing to plug in. The 64 GB of storage is decent, and the microSD card slot allows you to expand it up to a terabyte. The 8MP camera is surprisingly good for video calls. Zoom calls with friends and family are clear and crisp. And for families, Amazon Kids offers robust parental controls, and Amazon Kids Plus provides access to a ton of kid-friendly content. The design is sleek and modern, with an aluminum build that feels premium. Amazon claims it's 3 times more durable than the iPad 10.9-inch, which is reassuring. So can the Fire Max 11 replace your laptop? Well, it depends. If you need a powerful machine for demanding tasks like video editing or graphic design, probably not. But for everyday productivity, entertainment, and communication, the Fire Max 11 is a surprisingly capable and affordable option. It's a solid tablet that offers a lot of value for the price.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.